I wrote this song for all my no good friends.
Righto, big jobs on today. Got a couple of jobs to do on the van. We're going to put in some curved roof rafters and also some travelling awning supports, right, which go on the barrel when you're travelling, stop all that shake and stuff. So I'll give you a look, because we're at Mount Beauty, so we got them delivered just via post, right, through Parcel Collect, and they're from Aussie Traveller. So you've got mid awning supports and you've got the curved roof rafters. So we got two of them. You can get 2, 3, 4, depending on how big your awning is. I'm going to run 2, and I'm going to install them and show you how to do it. So it's super easy. You only need a few hand tools, which I've borrowed from the lovely fella at the Mount Beauty RV Park, Dwayne, so thanks, mate. Anyway, this is how they come. Boom. They come packed in a box like this, show up at the post office. So it's something you could probably do pretty easily on the road, because we run out of time to do it at home. And I think a lot of people would probably forget about it until they run into the whole issue of wind flapping their awning and getting water stuck in them. So that's the two biggest benefits of these. Because it stretches the fabric with the curved part of the rafter, it takes out a bit of the flap in some breeze, and it also stops the water pooling in it. Like, we were pretty lucky the other night, it rained pretty heavy. I got up in the morning and there was a big belly of water in it. So this stops that, because it provides that bit of a curve, all the water runs off and you're not going to trash your awning. We were pretty close, mate, to it being like collapsing. It was super heavy. So, all right, I'll show you the tools you need and how to do it. It's pretty simple. Righto, tools needed, mate. You just need a drill kit. I've got a small drill for a pilot hole, and then you need a 3/8 drill for the spigot. So this is the spigot of the curved roof rafter, right? And then all you do is you mount these little clips up in your sail track for your awning, and you drill a couple of holes in your awning barrel, and that's it. You put one end in the clip, the other end in the barrel, and you extend it and lock it off. So these things here, I'll show you when I fit them, they've got a little adjusting nut on them. You undo that, slide it out to whatever length it is to provide tension, then do it up. Happy days. That's all you need. And I've also borrowed a bit of this, so a bit of black Sikaflex. So anytime I put screws or anything on the outside of the van, I always do really good Sikaflex on there, because it acts like a glue, but it also a sealant, so you don't get any water in, right? Now, the other thing you're gonna have to do is measure it up. So I need a tape. I've got 2 awning supports, so I need to divide my awning into 3. So it's 5.5 meters long. So that's 5,500 divided by 3 equals 1833. So then from either end of here, I measure 1833 millimeters in. There you go. You come 20 mil down from the fabric and you drill a hole in here. And then I do the same for the other end. So I've come 1833 mil in, drill a hole in this one, and then do the same on your caravan side. You just put your little bracket in and screw it in to the same sail track where the awning material is. And you should be right, as long as you've measured from the same spot and the same distance. Be Bob's your uncle, mate. All right, I'll get back to you right, dear?
I'm good timing, I heard a name.
Beck's gonna come and hold this and I'll show you how it's done.
Yeah.
Righto, this is where I measure from. So just put your tape on the end of your material, come along.
Do you want me to hold that?
No, it's all good. Here we go, 1833. Make a mark there. Try not to draw on your awning like I just did. And then come 20 mil down from the fabric, make a mark.
How do you even know this?
I read the instructions, mate.
Oh.
So come in here, there you go, there's a nice little cross there.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. I've marked this other end, so I just need to come down 20 mil. Here we go.
I thought it was one of those things where you have pointless information in your brain.
Mate, I
like
don't have
always.
any pointless information.
You have loads of pointless stuff.
And then you're going to start with the pilot hole. So I want to make sure it goes directly in here. So I'm just going to drill straight in. There you go. Now it is aluminium, so it's not going to be super hard to go through. I'll do the other one. There you go. That's the pilot hole done. Now we put in a 3/8 one. The 3/8 drill is the right size for this spigot, which is this jobby here. So there you go. Like that. It actually could probably... Make sure you do check the size of your drill and make sure it's 3/8. If you're wondering what's going on here, I clipped the end of my finger with an axe doing firewood the other day, so it's my little protective sleeve on the end of it. I'm just going to check that because it looks a bit big, and then I'll do the proper hole. All right, here we go, proper hole, straight in.
Don't stuff this.
Done. All right.
Nailed it.
We'll double check it. The good thing is, if it's too small, it don't matter. Oh yeah, happy days. Look at that. Straight in. Now we just got to put the brackets on up at the sail track end, right? So this is the bracket that goes onto your sail track. Now when you measure your distance out, same as what you did on your awning barrel, go from the same spot, the edge of the fabric, but remember that distance will be the center of this bracket, all right? So you need to allow either side, mark the center, and then put your bracket in the center of that, and that's where you're going to mount your holes, all right? And you're going to drill your holes either side of that center line. Is that on their fabric?
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool. Here we go. There's my line there. That's the center line, 1833. So you want to put the bracket directly in the middle, just like that. There we go, here's our little holes. I'm going to put some Sikaflex on here because I want to seal it up around where the brackets go, and here. Done. All right, moment of truth. The bracket's on. I'll give you a quick look actually what it looks like. So, you'll see there, it's just screwed on nicely through the sail track. Bit of silicone or bit of Sikaflex coming out either side. I'm not going to put these in properly. I'm going to leave that Sikaflex to set overnight before we use it, just because I want it to act like a glue as well, right? But I'll show you how they work. This is the clip up one end. All you do is drop him in to the bracket like so. Feed him up this way. Slide him straight. Is it going to go in the hole? You reckon?
Thank you.
Boom.
Yay.
There you go. And then you just stretch that out, a bit of tension, and then tighten the knob. And then I don't know if you can see it already, but see how it takes the weight of the fabric and gives it that bit of a curved roof. So it stops flapping and it stops the water. Anyway, I'll put the other one in and give you a look at what it looks like finished product. But even fluffing around with the camera, it took me 15 minutes. So it's a 10-minute job. You just got to make sure you measure twice, drill once. Dad taught me that. All right, quick rundown. Here you go. It's all finished. 2 curved roof rafters installed. Let's do a quick recap on what we did. So a couple of holes in the brackets go up in the sail track up there. Swing down here. A couple of 10mm holes go in the barrel. Super easy. That's it. Bit of Sikaflex and whooshka. Bob's your uncle, mate. Look at that. No more rain. No more wind flapping. And then check it out. I'll swing up here. You can see how much tension goes on the top of the fabric there. Happy days, mate. Look at that. Our own little curved roof house, mate. Yes.